Hello and welcome to the DIY session on rear wheel removal. At times on a long ride, you might have to remove the rear wheel of your motorcycle. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools: 6mm and 5mm Allen key, 24mm ring spanner, and a 13mm open end spanner, tapping mallet, semi-solid grease. To begin with, place your motorcycle in an upright position on a flat surface. Now mark the alignments on both the sides of the swing arm and safely remove the plain washer and the axle nut using a 24mm ring spanner. Also, safely plug out the brake hose and ABS cables from the swing arm clip and unmount the brake caliper bolt as well as ABS sensor using 6mm and 5mm Allen keys respectively. Place a clean and dry cloth on the exhaust to place the brake caliper. Place a cardboard sheet between the brakes to prevent any damage. Now, loosen the chain adjuster nuts using a 13mm open end spanner. As you push the wheel gently for support, pull the axle out of its position and slide out the caliper reaction bracket. Remove the left side and the right side chain adjusters from the swing arm and pull the axle out. Now remove the left side spacer from the sprocket and keep it aside safely. Disassemble the drive chain from the sprocket and ask help to slightly tilt the motorcycle so that you can roll out the wheel assembly. Remove the spacer from the right hand side of the wheel and put it aside. Remember, facing the disc plate downwards can cause damage to the disc plate. Also, do not press the rear brake lever when the wheel is removed from the motorcycle. Now, to refit the wheel assembly, repeat the unmounting process in a reverse order. Start by tilting your motorcycle on the left side again and roll in the rear wheel. Make sure you gently slide the wheel assembly so that the rear shocker mounting bolt doesn't touch the disc surface. Now mount the drive chain sprocket followed by the left and right chain adjusters. Bring the wheel adjacent to the chain adjusters so that they come on the same vertical line. Now gently insert the axle into the swing arm eye. Tap the axle with the mallet till it comes out of the other side. Place the flat washer axle nut and tighten it. Tighten the axle nut fully as you hold the axle from other side. Remove the cardboard that was previously placed between the brake pads and remount the caliper assembly on the bracket with the ABS sensor using Allen key. Now adjust the caliper bracket to its previous position. At last, do not forget to tighten the left and right side chain adjusters using a 13mm open end spanner. In this way, you can successfully fix your rear wheel. If possible, visit the nearest authorized Benelli service center to tighten the bolts to a perfect spin. Keep roaring.